Hello everyone, today we'll have a new session. This session will be in English. We'll continue the implementation of the authentication with Riverpod. The last session we have implemented this design that we have email and password. So we have implemented the automatic redirection with the router that redirects automatically to the home page when we are signed in and to the authentication page when we are offline. So for example, if we do sign in, it should redirect us to the home page. Otherwise, if we are not signed in, we have the authentication. So now register now should redirect us to the sign up page, but we have a bug in Go router that always redirects to the sign in route, which is the parent route of the register now. Okay, right now we'll check our implementation. As you can see, we have layered architecture. This architecture is feature first, which have the core folder, features and widgets. So we have here authentication, and in authentication we have our authentication page base. We have sign in and sign up, but we will work on the core. The core have the implementation of Go router, and here we have implemented in the last session this listener to redirect us to authentication, either authentication or the home page, depends on our state. So here we will work on this code base where we will have our listener, as we said, and it checks if we are not authenticated. It should show this route, otherwise it will go to the home page. But the bug here is that we have register now. Right now what is happening, it's routing to the sign up page or the sign up route, but at the same time the listener redirect us back to the sign in route. So what we should do, we will implement a method that redirects if the parent route is the sign-in route, but not if we are in the sign-in route. So the parent should be the sign-in. Doesn't matter if we are in the sign-in page, sign-up page, reset password, or any page. Okay, let's start with the implementation of this sign-in route. I will print some logs to see what is the structure of our route here. So here we have logger.d. I will print the sign-in route that we have, and I will print the state that we have as well. So state here. Okay, that's good. Then when I do this, it should print, yeah, our route is sign in. That's good. We know that our path is /sign-in, and the Go router state. In the state we can have different parameters. For example, state dot full path. We check the full path. Logger.d state dot matched location, not locate, we don't have location. We will have the path and the name, actually, yeah, the path. Let's shake it again, and what we get here, if I press here, we get okay, the state is go router state, the full path is sign in. Yeah, full path is sign in, matched location is sign in as well, and we don't have the name and we don't have a path. So the thing that we can test, we could have a method saying yeah, maybe bool is sign in route, maybe is authentication route, and here we pass the state, and the state could get sign in route dot not path but full path or matched location. I want to check the difference between matched location and the full path. So here we have a matched location, final full path equal to state.full path. Here I want to check what we get. Okay, the full path to this subroute is family/family ID. Okay, then here in the matched location, okay, then we use full path dot contains the sign-in route. Where is our sign-in route is this dot path. Otherwise is false. So here we have and is, it shouldn't be authentication route. So here, if is auth.value, that means that redirect me to the authentication page. And here, if we are not already in the authentication route, return sign-in route, otherwise return route.path. Right now, what it should do, okay, let's restart our app. So now is redirect loop detected, sign in /. Okay, so now what do we have? We will return null. That means that don't do anything at this time. And we test if our sign in is, yeah, now it's working well. What is happening? Like we have, if it returns null, that means that it doesn't redirect us to a new route. So what we should do right now, if is not auth value and is not authentication route, and so here else if we are in the authentication route, return root.path. This is the thing. Yes. Now we return the authentication route. This says is already in auth route. So now we test again. Should have another loop. Okay, we have is auth value. Okay, maybe because the state is so if final full path equals state dot full path, if full path equals null, return nothing. Do we get redirect loop? Sign in, then root, then sign in. Okay, what do we get here? If is auth value first episode route names dot sign in dot path can have this string path. Okay, if is already auth page, return this. If it's not already auth page, return null. This should be the case that we will have, but here we should have first episode route names dot root, and this could work. Okay. Page not found. Let's check some logs. Full path is full path. Okay, full path is sign in, and here we check that our path is slash sign in. Okay, then full path became the slash. Okay, we had double redirection. What is this double redirection? Let's have it like this. Okay, so if is auth value. Okay, let's have like this, and this should work. Yeah. So if this if not is auth value and is already auth page, go to the root. Okay. So this could be final should redirect to auth equal to auth and is an authenticated. Final, yes, is not authenticated, and here is not authenticated. Okay, let's start again. maher.gmail.com and we start sign in. This should work. Yeah. And if we restart, it works. That's good. Okay. So here we have this ref on this pose and we listen to the authenticated provider. .d. I want to check if this is an infinite loop or it just changes when we are changing it. This at gmail.com and here we have this. Okay, this is changed only once. That's good. Excellent. Okay, here we clean up some code. Good. So now we have the redirection that is working. It commit -l fix go router redirection. Hello Hashem. Yes, I can speak louder, otherwise I can make the mic. Is it a better volume right now? Yeah, that's good. So now we have the redirection, then we can register, and we have the sign up, we have the confirmation, the form validation, and with the form validation we return the messages like please enter your email, otherwise please enter a valid email, and here we have please enter your password, and the password should be at least 6 characters. Those are our validation messages. So now this redirection function could be yes, it could be extracted to an external method, which is redirect. We could have it as future string. So here we can have future or string redirect, We will have build context, and the state. And here we have the same authentication. We just have this. Okay, is auth could be changed to this, but here we should pass the ref, otherwise we pass the value as it is. So here it's better to pass is unauthenticated bool this, and we prefer to have the bool as a named parameter instead. So here, if we get it, no, yes, required bool is unauthenticated. That's good. So here we don't need this, and the redirect will have this context, state, and isAuth.value. So here it will have the same. Yeah, it works. That's good. Cool. So here git add dot git commit -m extract redirect method git push. Okay, and after this we check the Figma design, and in this design we will have check your email, and we could have open email app or skip I will verify later, then we redirect to the home page. So here we implement this page which have this icon, check your email, we have sent a verification email, and open email app, and the skip text button. So this will be an icon or a container that have an icon or an image. This is a text widget. This is also a text widget, a text button, and this is a text button as well. Cool. Actually, we have the same components here. Okay, here since we don't have the app bar, we need to delete the shadow, like the elevation, scrollable elevation. It's easy to fix as well, so we can fix it first, then we can get back to the implementation of the email page. So here we have scroll under elevation, we have 0, and here we don't have it anymore. You see, if we comment this code, you will see that it's a bit purple, and here it's disappeared, and that's really good. Git add git commit cache message set scroll under elevation to 0 git push. Good. After this we have sign up, then we implement a new page under the sign up route as a new route. So here we have presentation, we have pages, sign up page, confirmation, email, send page dot. So we have stateless widget. We always try to use stateless widgets because we are using provider for state management. So class or consumer widget. We have class confirmation, like confirmation, email sent page extends consumer widget, and this consumer widget will have, okay, we delete this, we don't need this actually. We import the material package and we have a return, and here what do we have in this page? So here we have the base scaffold that is also here. So we have a safe area. Okay, the safe area is about this, as you can see. You see, the safe area is to prevent you from having a text here. Actually, it's much better without the safe area here. So here we have the scaffold, we have our app bar with a background color which is white, and the scaffold background color is white. We have the padding, and the app bar is only here. That is implementing the arrow back by default when we are able to go back to the previous page. Good. So now we have the app bar. So here we can set the colors in the theme actually. So here we go to themes, theme base. We have text theme, input decoration. We set them for those ones. We actually set them for the text and the text field, but we can't set it for the scaffold because the background color, scaffold background color, is always white, and for the app bar we don't have elevation for it, and scroll under elevation is always set to 0. So here we can delete those actually. Okay. We can only delete it, but we keep this and we delete this. So when we get the app bar, it's by default getting it from the theme base. So here we can extract it to a getter, app bar theme, get app bar theme, and we replace it here to get a cleaner code. Cool. So after that we have the padding. The padding is large in all the places, in all the sides, but it's 0 in the top. Actually, I will implement a 0. Oh no. So here we have this. Not known. It's better than having a 0. Good. Here we have the alignment, we have logo and logo. Here we have the size box. Yes, good. So now we can have the scaffold, and this scaffold will have the normal app bar, and we will have a column, and this column will be the column have this, and we have children, Okay, and here we can have this. We have the up bar, we have the color, we add it to the routes now to be able to go. Okay, so here send string confirm email or confirm account. So here we have the confirm email route, and if we redirect to the sign in route, here we have the sign up route. Okay, let's have it like this. Here we will have sign up. This route will be here. Good. And this sign up route, it should be okay. And here after that, I will add the confirm emailed route. So here I will add the confirm email, confirm email route. This should have confirm email, confirmation, email send page, and here it will be added under the routes. Okay, that's good. Now we have the sub route, and here we have the confirm email. It's already added, and here we will have, we just extract the barrel files. That's good. If we try to press register now, we just press sign up. Okay, if we go back to the sign up page, and we have secondary action, and we have the primary action. Okay, let's skip the form validation just for us to test. We have confirm email. Okay, we need to do a hot restart. Let's try it now. Yeah, that's good. It works. Let's start the implementation of our design. So here we have a column. It should be centered, and we will have main axis alignment. We add it to the center because the default column main axis alignment is the top. Then we will have this container. Okay, we can have a child. This child will have an icon. This icon will have icons.email. Let's try it. That's good. Okay. The size, I prefer to have the values set later. So this one, email. Yeah. We try different email stuff. Let's have this. Okay, then we have the background is a bit purple and light purple, and we will have the border radius to 16 maybe. Let's check it. Yeah, 16. So we can set the color, but since we have the border radius, we will have the box decoration. So we have first episode. Yeah, we set the color first. We have first episode colors dot purple. Not this. Let's check with opacity 0.5 maybe. No, let's have the correct color. It's light background, that's good. This color. Okay. Light purple, and we have this color. Light purple. That's good. We have what we want. Then we have border radius dot all, radius dot circular. We have the sizes dot medium. Yeah, medium R16, and this is what we want to have. So now we need some padding. So here we have medium padding, and here we need the icon color with purple. Good. Let's have the cross axis alignment dot center. Okay. Main axis size dot max. Okay, it's taking only this column, not the whole width. We can have it with the whole width by introducing a row. Not here, but it could be done. Yeah, the alignment could be done here. Yes. So here it fills the whole width. Okay, let's have it like this. We have maybe min. It doesn't take the whole row, the whole column. Okay, let's have it in the center, but here I want to increase the size of the column. Okay, so here we have private. Yeah, I wanted to try to type max to test, because here main axis size dot min, it won't take the whole screen. Instead it will only fit the widget, you see. So this is our column. Here it's empty. So when we set max, it will fill the empty space. But it's by default set to max, so we don't need to set it. That's good. But what I need, that the column, that the container will not fill the whole width. So now I'd like to have the size. Yes, this size looks good, but we can actually export this to a PNG or SVG. So we can add it as an asset, and that will be better. So here we have it. Otherwise we can have it like this. Email rounded, email sharp. We can look for a good thing that outlined is what we are looking for. Maybe the weight could be less, 1. Let's try, shouldn't be 0. So we have the weight, we have grade, we have fill, we have size. I will try maybe fill, could be 1. Yes, this won't be changing. Let's have it like this. Then could we have a fit? Do we have a fit? No. What do we have here? Alignment, padding. Okay. When we implement the text, it will fit with the height and we can work on it instead of adding a fitted box widget. So now check or confirm your email will be much better. Let's try not headline, but now it says body large, body small, maybe this. Dot copy with color, then we add it to black. Yes, this is blocked now. Good. So here we have confirm your email. So to confirm the email, okay, it won't work. Let's restart the app. Yeah. One thing I will it's a tip that I will give you, which is in the newer versions of Dart, we will be able to not use freezed and we can use the at model. This one will generate the from JSON to JSON and the copy with methods. So this post is published by Lucas, and this is already implemented on the Flutter master channel, this SDK. So now you can test it until it will be published in the stable channel. Good. Let's get back to the app. Let's try register now. Now we have dot email. Let's have bold. Good. We need black. So here we add the black color. One session we need to set up the theme, so we don't need to take care of the colors, so instead it will be done automatically. Yes, I think headline small or body large maybe is much better. Then we have sent a verification email to your email address. This could be body small. That's good, without a bold. So here we get this. And also we need to also implement the translations to another language. So here we have it in black. We can implement dot separated by, and we have the padding. So here we have the padding, not large, but medium would be good. Yes. So here we don't use these imports. Also here we have the text theme, could be reusable. Final text theme equal to this. Then we have this that will be reused. We need some padding for this text. So here we can have size box width context dot screen width. What is size? Okay, let's have layout builder instead. Here. Let's use a layout builder. So here we look for the builder. And we have layout builder. We have here constraints. And here final max width equal to or width will be better. Good. Here we have the width, and here we have this. We need to add the width for it, so this could be width multiplied by 0.2, not good. 0.3, yes, and this alignment should be center. And do we have a padding, or do we have? Yes, so here looks good, and here we need to set the width. Like here we have text align dot center, and the width will be container alignment dot center, and we will have width. Yes, that's good. Looks good. And here we have open email app. So here we will get the button. I will check which button we have used before. So we get the same style. Elevated button. Okay, we have elevated button. Here it will open an email app. Good. And here we will have open email app. Good. Here we need to add the style of the button to our theme. So this elevated button will have the same style that we have here. So here we go to the theme. Theme base. This one will have elevated button theme. Then we have the style. Then here we have this theme. Okay, looks good. We have those things. Yes. We have foreground color, background color, context. Okay, orange and white. Yeah, this is the correct one. Here we have text theme. Dot body large. What else? Now, yeah, now we have it. Okay, so here we have the style, elevated button style from. It will have the style from the theme, and here we will have the style could be maybe 0.7. So here width 0.7. It's not a constant anymore. This looks good. And here we have skip. I will verify later, which is a secondary action. And here we will have a clickable text. This clickable text will be here. We need to import the source, verify later. We don't have secondary text, and here we will have the onPressed function. So here it might be a bug in the Flutter version, but okay, might need to have text style here to set the style of our text. Final text style, and here we will have this. Style. So now we will have text style, and we will have body small. Looks good, but we don't need the medium. Maybe small will be much better. But here do we have the padding? Yes. The button style will have a padding, and I will set the padding to 0. Yes. What do we have? Okay, so here we have the verify later. This verify later should have not a white color, but this color is creative. I think it have opacity of 80%. So yes, we can have it gray 80. This one. Now it looks good. Very nice. I like it. So now we have, if I just set this button and I wrap it with center, all the elements would be centered, which is something with a column. So here I can have it like size box, and it could have the max width. I think so. So here we have the width, and we have the max width, and here right now we will have it to the center, but now it's not centered yet. So how do we get all the elements centered? Maybe by doing this? No. So the height could be double dot max finite. Okay, let's inspect. Can we do it? Yes, it works. That's good. So here we have the column. This is the width and the height. Let's see what we have in the inspector. Good. So now we have the container. We can try here in the DevTools. So we don't need any flex. Here we have the sized box. This is our sized box. This is our column. Another sized box. Then here we have this clickable text. And all of this is empty. So what we need to have, we need to center all the elements and to have them centered, but they are not. What we should do? Okay. Let's have it yes. So the problem that we need them to be centered, but they are not right now. So okay, let's get rid of the separated by. Now I understand. Why do we get this? So we are getting this because we are not passing the parameters to we are not passing the parameters to the column or the row. So here what we should do, return flex, and this flex should have this direction that will have return this dot copy with. Okay, so here we will have new children. Those new children should be in the same flex. So here we will have direction, the main axis size, the main axis alignment, all the parameters should be passed again. So our extension was not working as intended. So now we have it. This looks good. I like it, but it's in the center. It's better to have it a bit on the top here, as we can see. Small padding from here, but here we don't care. What do we get? So here we can have a bit of space. So here sized box, some height, and this height will be let's see, okay, let's not have the separated by thing. Let's get rid of it. But here we can have main axis alignment dot space around. This is a lot of space. Space evenly. No. Let's have it in the start. Let's have the separated by. Okay, that's good. Medium could be better. And then we should have here column size box. Then the height could be not large. Yeah, large looks good. Now it looks good. So the verify later could have extra padding, which is this verify later. Or maybe the actions could have extra padding here. Yes. So now we could have git add, git commit, implement, confirm your email page, git push. Okay, so here to maybe have this feature completed, we can have Flutter open mail app package. So here we can have this URL launcher. I think we have a package that do this. So it detects some email apps installed in our iPhone or Android, and it open it. So we check pub.dev email app. Yeah, we have this open mail app. So here we can have maybe this open mail app, email OTP. We have this, we don't need it. We have this with Riverpod. This is to show open mail app. Again, yes, okay. So this is the only package. It haven't been maintained since almost 2 years. So we check if we have any major issues. Okay. So here. But you could do it yourself. Okay, we have some problems. It was the last year. We can check here. Do you have some pull requests that you can use? Okay, upgrade dependencies. Okay, let's try this package. There. This could be in utils. Hopefully it will be installed without any issues. That's good, it works. So here we check the example app, maybe readme. We go to the iOS info.list. Good. And here we add these ones. This is good. So we don't need any configuration to the Android. So here we can use the home pressed. So this is to show that there is no mail apps dialog. Let's have it here. Maybe elevated button. And here we have context. Okay. This is the dialog that will be shown. And here we have this. Okay, it works. And here we have this implementation. This, we have, yeah, until the else. Unpressed. Where is this? We have an elevated button, we have the style, we have the child. Okay. First comma. 2. 1. 2. 1, 2. Yeah, this should be. Should be here. Let's try it. We need to launch it again because we have changed in the native code and we don't know if it works in the simulator, and we don't know if we have any problems with the package because, as we said, it haven't been maintained since 2 years, and this could be a problem with that. Okay. No mail apps installed. Yes, it's right. We don't have any mail apps installed here. Then it works as it should. Cool. So we haven't done anything with Riverpod today, and this could be a stateless widget because we don't have a Riverpod. I think this is enough for today. See you in the next session, but before that we just deploy our code, implement open email app with the plugin. So what is the difference between a package and a plugin? A plugin would have the implementation of a native code, if it's iOS or Android or Windows. But the package, it have only a pure Dart code. Git push. Good. See you next time in another session. Bye bye.